Namaste and Hare Krishna. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different makeup tutorial. I always say like different, but like, you know what, it's summer here and I have this fun palette I've showed you before, and I kind of thought, you know what, it's wedding season, and wedding season only comes once a year, because it's like nice out here and you're Minnesota. And like everybody wants to have like an outdoor like wedding with all the flowers and all the naturals. And so I thought I would do something to kind of accommodate like a flower or like some kind of like, I don't know, bridesmaid, not really, but like just like a wedding guest. So I'm gonna start that. And for my hair, I just put my hair in 2 braids. Nothing like fancy, like it's not French braided, it's just 2 braids and my little flower piece. And this is probably one of my favorite hairstyles because it's just so simple, it's so easy, and yeah. So I'm gonna start by moisturizing my skin. I have this oil-free moisturizer by Neutrogena. This is one of the few moisturizers that does not break my skin out. Normally, like, moisturizers break me out. And this one also has SPF in it, which is good for people like me who have extremely fair skin, or people who just don't want to get a tan, which a lot of people don't want to get a tan. They like their natural skin color. They don't want to get sun damage. And so yeah, all around a really good moisturizer. And yes, I do put sunscreen on the rest of my body, just like a spray sunscreen, a sports sunscreen, so when you're sweating, it's not like immediately you need to reapply it, but you probably should still. Anyway, so I'm going to take my Sienna palette, and this is by Profusion, and I'm going to open it up. I probably don't need to narrate everything I do, but I'm going to mix Dapper with Madly. I like these two colors because they really bring out like gray tones in my eyes. And I'm actually just going to use this fluffy brush right here. I'm going to mix those up and I'm just going to put this in my crease. I like a hair that got loose out of my braid. It's like in my mouth. This gives you like a really soft cut crease look, like it's not like there. Finally got the hair out of my mouth. Congratulations to me. So I'm gonna take now this like more like harder crease brush, like it's like not as like fluffy, and I'm gonna really go in and carve out my crease. And I'm going to use Ruby. And these two are kind of like red colors, like reddish brown colors. And when you mix it up, it gets like a really nice like copper color. And I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna directly go into the crease with that color. I'm not gonna fluff it around. It's just gonna be right in the crease. And I know somebody's like, oh, you need to get better quality camera or something for when you're doing like makeup tutorials, and also this is kind of blurry sometimes. Here's the thing. I'm not at all rich. I don't have that much money. And so if I did that, I would not be able to pay for my college, which I believe my college is a little more important than the camera. I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but it's just like this is what I can afford, and this is how I can get content out the quickest. So that's what we're gonna do for now. Maybe later I'll go and get something a little better. So what I'm gonna do for the lid? Gotta always do that lid. I'm gonna actually take this one called Sienna. Can't talk. This yellow color right here. And I'm gonna put this on my lid. It's a really pretty yellow color. And try not to get it up by the crease, just get it right onto the lid. I'm just going to turn around for just a second, just to make sure I'm getting all of my lid covered. I can't see how dark it's getting on that camera. I don't want my eyes to be too dark. You just want to get it packed on so you can really see the color. And this color also works really good for dark skin tones as well. It's a nice pop of color. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing little tiny packing motions to my lid. And now the eyeliner. I do want to say I'm doing a really thin eyeliner look. And I can't really show you because I really suck at showing this kind of stuff because, you know, this is really, I call it permanent makeup because once you put this on, no amount of water and no amount of makeup remover is going to get this off right away. So you have to be very, very careful with this one. So I'm going to keep the turn again. But here's the thing about this, is that this eyeliner, when it stays on really well. Like, I can go out and run, do anything. I told you guys this before. And see, this is the only kind of line you need. It's just a really thin liner on top of your lid. You just want to do this to darken up your lid, not your lid, your eyelashes. So now I'm waiting for this to dry a bit because it does take a little bit to dry. It's not like an instant dry, and also my eyes have a hood. Not sure if you can see that, but my eyes are slightly hooded. And so this likes to smudge if it doesn't dry completely. I'm gonna take this one. It's called Floral Majority. I'm gonna put this, just kind of dap it. And yes, I do have a bug bite right here and right here, so just kind of ignore it. Just a little tiny bit. You just want to make it look like you're slightly flushed. This stuff is really easy to go like overboard. You don't want to do that. You just want to get like a little tiny like blush to your skin, especially if you're like me and you have no other skin pigment but just paleness. And next, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Lash Blast. I only use this to darken up my eyelashes because I have really blonde looking eyelashes. Next, I'm going to do my lips. And I think I'm going to actually use this lip today. And this is the Essence Color Instacare lipstick. And it is in the color Daily. Now what I like about this lipstick is it's actually a moisturizer doubled into a lipstick. So you can reapply this as many times as you want in your, not your hair. Your lips are not going to get dry. And so that is why I really appreciate this. So anyway, this is the look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a fantastic day. I do want you to know that you should never feel pressured to wear makeup. Makeup should be a choice. Makeup should be something that's fun. Makeup should not be something that's like, oh, I gotta put this on, like that. But it's just something to give you a little confident boost. It is something to make you feel happy about yourself. And I hope that helps a lot of you girls out there. So bye-bye. Hare Krishna and Namaste.